Today, we're diving into the features of the AMPBANK AT003 tire inflator, a portable air compressor that's your perfect road companion. This sleek black device is designed to inflate car, SUV, motorcycle, bike tires, and even balls with its powerful motor, reaching up to 150 psi in just minutes, ensuring you're never stranded on the road. With its one-click preset air pump, choose from 4 inflation modes and 3 units, allowing you to inflate with 99.9% accuracy, thanks to its high-precision chip and automatic shut-off feature to prevent overinflation. Equipped with a robust 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, this air compressor can operate continuously for 30 minutes, inflating up to 4 flat tires without needing an external power source. Not just a tire inflator, the AT003 doubles as an emergency power source with its USB-C input and USB output ports, and it features a 3-mode LED light for added convenience in the dark. This multifunctional tool is a thoughtful gift for anyone, easily stored in your glove box or garage, ready for use whenever you need it. If you have any questions or concerns, the AMPBANK team is always ready to assist, ensuring you invest in peace of mind with this reliable and versatile air pump. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.